Hello, hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain a different kind of problem. This is very important, uh, this is the problem most of the students are facing difficult. You see, here if a train runs at 40 kilometers per hour, it reaches its destination late by 11 minutes. But if it runs at 50 kilometers per hour, it is late by 5 minutes only. And find the distance to be covered by the train. So this is the problem, very interesting problem. This is, listen carefully, and we can observe here, the train runs at 40 kilometers per hour, 11 minutes late. Second situation, if the train runs at 50 kilometers per hour, that means the speed is increased. That means what here, the time will take less time it takes. That is only 5 minutes late. Now what we are going to find in this, find the distance to be covered by the train. So distance we don't know. So distance is the unknown quantity here. So that we have to take it as x. So if the distance is x kilometers, by this, in these kind of problems, so how many things are involving? Distance, speed, time. Three things are there. Already the relation between these three, we know that distance is equal to speed into time. By using that concept, that formula, we can make the relation among these. So now distance is x. Then what is the speed here? Speed is, for first situation, 40 kilometers per hour. So distance, speed we know. So if we know distance and speed, can we find time? Because here time, they did not give the time. Only 11 minutes late, 5 minutes late, such kind of thing. So here we can't take 11 minutes is the time. So that time is different. So if we know distance and speed, we can find the time. That is what, time equal to distance by speed, that is x by 40. This is the first situation. And for the second situation, there is no change in the distance. Distance again the same, x kilometers per hour. But coming to speed, the speed is different, that is 50 kilometers per hour. 50 kilometers per hour. Now what is the time here? The time is again x by 50. X by 50. So this is the time for first situation. That means if the train is maintaining 40 kilometers per hour speed, then the time taken x by 40, and the time taken by the train, if train is going by 50 kilometers per hour, then the time is x by 50. Okay, times we got it in both the cases. But here why we have to find the time? Because the time difference we have to make it, because equation is very important. How to make the equation? Here we know distance, speed, time, but equation, how to form the equation, that is very important. For that, the time difference we have to take it. The time difference, what is the time difference? Generally this is the time for if that train is travel 40 kilometers per hour, and this is the time for 50 kilometers per hour. But here 11 minutes late, 11 minutes late, but here coming here it is 5 minutes late, only 5 minutes late. Therefore 11 minus 5, the time difference is 6 minutes. The time difference is 6 minutes. But here whatever we got, the x by 40 and the x by 50, those are in hours. So the time difference, that means if the speed of the train is 40 kilometers and here the speed of the train is 50 kilometers, so which train is taking more time? That means here only the train goes by 40 kilometers per hour, that means less speed, it takes more time. That's the reason. So here it is more time, that is x by 40, you write it here, minus x by 50. Time differences I am taking here, time difference. The time taken by the first train minus second train is equal to how many? 6 minutes. But these two are in hours, that's the reason 6 by 6 minutes we do not write, 6 by 60, 6 by 60. So we have to write in hours only. So this is the final equation, we got it, final equation. Okay, now how to simplify this? By simplifying this equation, we'll get x value. So if we know the x value easily, we can find that is only distance, the distance covered by the train. So while simplifying here, you see all the denominators we can eliminate with the 10. 10 4s are, 10 5s are, 10 6 are. And here one more thing, 6 gets cancelled. Finally we got x by 4 minus x by 5, that equal to 1. So take the LCM, that is 20. 5 4 is 20. So when we are multiplying directly the denominator, just do the cross multiplication. So 5 into x, so 5x minus 4 into x, 4x, that equal to 1. Now 20 send this side, then what happened? 5x minus 4x, that equal to 20. So 5x minus 4x is x equal to 20 kilometers, 20 kilometers. So the train traveled 20 kilometers. So I hope you understand well. I'll take one more problem here. You see, a man driving his moped at 24 kilometers per hour reaches his destination 5 minutes late to an appointment, and if he had driven at 30 kilometers per hour, he would have reached his destination 4 minutes before time. So how far is the destination? How far? That means again in this problem we are going to find the distance, how much distance he traveled we are going to find. But here you see, here two speeds are there. In the first case 24 kilometers per hour speed and 5 minutes later. So second time what happened, 30 kilometers per hour, speed increased, then 4 minutes before he reached the destination. So for this, how can we find the distances? Let us see, distance I am going to take as x. Distance is x, because here distance we are going to find. In the first case distance is x, then what is the speed in the first case? Speed is 24 kilometers per hour. And what is time now? What is the time? Distance by speed, that is x by 24 hours. This is now in the second case, distance, there is no difference in the distance is x same, but speed here 30 kilometers per hour speed, then what is time? X by 30. So whenever these kind of problems are there, just write the things like this, because here I am not writing any working thing. Simply you have to write those things by observing the examples. And both the cases time we got find. Now why we are finding the time means the time difference we have to take it for the equation. To make the equation, time difference we have to make it. So here first case what happened, 5 minutes late, but in the second case what is that, 4 minutes fast, that is okay, before time, that means 4 minutes before he came. So this is the time given. So what is the time difference taken here? Time difference here. So in this problem what we have to do, we must add the time, whatever late time and before time, we must add it, that is 9. Why we are adding? You see, in the previous problem both are late only, both are that means whatever taken, that is 11 minutes late and 5 minutes late, both are late. So directly we can subtract it. So before that time we are reaching that. So here you see, one is late, another one is before, they said. For understanding this one, I'll explain one example. For example, 30 minutes journey we have to do, actual time this is, but if 5 minutes late means how much time? 5 minutes late means 35 minutes we are taking to reach the destination. But here 4 minutes late means, 4 minutes before means 26 minutes. Within 26 minutes we reach the destination. That means what is the time difference then? 35 minus 26, how much? 9. So this is the thing we have to use. So no need to do all these things, just you remember, if one is late, another one is before means simply add the times add the time. If both are before or both are late means simply subtract it. So here I hope you understand this. Okay, now the time differences. Time differences means, you see, first what we have to write, x by 24, x by 24. That means here only in the first time less speed, that is 24. Second time 30. That means less speed means more time it takes. That means write x by 24 minus the time difference I am taking, x by 30 is equal to 9 minutes. Just these minutes you have to add it, but not this one. Here you have to subtract hours. So x by 24 is x by 24 hours minus x by 30 hours equal to 90 by 9 by 60. Don't write 9 because 9 is in minutes. Converting into hours, it becomes 9 by 60. This is the equation. We got it. Equation. So after this equation, again same simplification and everything. So for simplification, I'll take 6 table, 6 fours are, 6 fives are, 6 tens are. Now take the LCM, that is 4 fives are 20, 5x minus 4x, that equal to 9 by 10. And even here we can cancel it. 10 ones are, 10 twos are. So that means x is equal to 2 nines are 18 kilometers. 18 kilometers. So in this way we are going to solve these kind of problems. I hope you understand well. Thank you very much. Subscribe, share and like it.